Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall Copilot on Windows 11 step by step. If you don't use Microsoft Copilot and want to remove it from your PC. So let's get started. So firstly go to Start menu. Here you will search for Settings. Open Settings. Now go to Apps. Then click Installed Apps. Now search for Copilot, Microsoft Copilot. Here you will see the Copilot. Click on three dots, then click on uninstall. Then it will show you a prompt, and click on uninstall Copilot, then click on yes. Now window will remove Copilot from your computer. It will uninstall. We'll see the processing will be. Now if remove Copilot from taskbar, now right click on the Copilot icon. If the Copilot icon is still visible on the taskbar, right click the taskbar, select taskbar settings, scroll down, click on, here you will search for Copilot. If you don't visible show, here you will see it will be removed successfully. Now restart your PC. Finally restart your computer to apply all changes properly. After restarting, Copilot should remove from Windows 11. That's it. Now you know how to uninstall Copilot on Windows 11 easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.